how many friends do you need to have on your social media account in order to be successful in network marketing? The answer is that's irrelevant because of the amazing tips I'm about to share with you. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you why social media marketing is better than traditional marketing. Next, I'm going to tell you how to use social media to find that person that's ready to buy right now. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to use social media to put your business on autopilot so that you can maximize your results and minimize your time spent online. I started out building my business the traditional way. I was going belly to belly and kneecap to kneecap, and it was draining. I was constantly trying to add names to my names list because I was always in fear that I was going to run out of names. And I can remember telling my upline, if only I lived in a better area. The people here just don't really care. They're not really interested in what I have to offer. I don't know who to talk to. And pretty soon, that names list ran out. And when that names list ran out, I had no option but to go start cold calling and prospecting at the mall and at the gas station. And so I was constantly looking for people that would make eye contact with me. I'd start a conversation and I'd try to get it to turn so that I could introduce to them my network marketing business opportunity. I got really, really good at collecting people's phone numbers, but the problem with that is it never led to new team members. It never led to new customers. It led to a lot of no's and a lot of rejections, and quite frankly, it sucked. I didn't like doing it. With traditional marketing, when I was going belly to belly and kneecap to kneecap, I was just trying to talk to as many people as I could as quickly as possible, just hoping they'd say yes or hoping they'd say no so that I could move on to the next thing. But they weren't pre-qualified. I didn't know beforehand if they were going to be interested. It led to a lot of rejection. It led to a lot of no's. A lot of people looked at what I was doing and were like, okay, that's great for Sarah, but I don't want to do that. That kind of sucks. I don't want to tell my friends and family that I joined this network marketing company, and I don't want to have to go talk to my friends and family and try to talk them into joining it. And I totally got it because I actually didn't want my family to know that I joined either, because I didn't want them to think that I was one of those people. When I ran out of names on my names list, I'd heard about this magical place called social media. And it was like, okay, I gotta go figure out what social media is. What I wished when I was doing belly to belly and kneecap to kneecap was that people had been wearing like one of those glow necklaces so that I could easily identify which person to talk to and which person was not going to be the right fit. With social media marketing, you are able to easily and quickly identify who the right person is for your opportunity and products and who is not. You're able to attract the people that are going to want to join your team, and you repel the people that are not the right fit. Your network marketing company, your products, they are not for everybody. With social media, you're able to identify who is the right fit and who is not, and you're able to position yourself in front of those people that are going to be the right fit. And the way that you do that is by looking at what your niche is, what your products are, and thinking about who is the person that is most likely to buy those products and want to join my team. So for example, if you're in the health and fitness arena, the people that are most likely to use your products are the people that are interested in health, that are conscious about their health, that are maybe actively trying to lose weight or live an active lifestyle. When you're on social media, you are able to Google on Facebook and use hashtags on Instagram to find those people that are actively looking to lose weight, that are into health and fitness, that are into healthy eating. And then you're able to position yourself in front of those groups and in front of those people that are most likely to buy your products and to join your team because they're already interested in what you're doing. You're not going to have to convince them on why living a healthy lifestyle is great. You're not going to have to convince them on why being active is going to be a good idea for their life and for their health. They already know that. Let me know in the comments below, are you just starting out or have you been on social media for a while? When I was doing traditional marketing in that belly to belly, I had to rely on being able to fit into other people's schedules. So I would call them up, I arrange a Zoom time, I do these one-on-one meetings. And not only did we have to be able to have our schedules match, but it took a lot of time. I mean, really think about this. How long does it take you to share your opportunity one-on-one? How many hours does that take? When you're on social media, first off, you don't have to coordinate your schedules, because you're going to make a post or do a video, and when that other person is ready, they'll jump online and your post or your video will show up. You don't have to physically be there, which means that you're actually able to sort of clone yourself and duplicate yourself, because that same information is going to pop up for a bunch of people instead of you having to physically call them one by one by one by one by one. You're just going to have to do that video or that post once, and people are going to continue to see it. The other really big advantage to social media marketing is that as you position yourself in front of these people that are the right fit, you can actually create a community of your own, either through a hashtag on Instagram or through a Facebook group. And as you build this community, you've now got all of these people that are your perfect people to buy your products and to join your MLM team. It's also awesome because it provides you social proof. As these people are joining your group, as they're following your hashtags, they're getting to know you, they're seeing you post, and it kind of creates that fear of missing out. People want to belong, people want to join that winning team, and you're offering them a chance to do it by joining your community, which is so much easier than having to drag people to home meetings or have them take time out of their busy life to jump on a Zoom call, because it now fits into their schedule. Click on the link below and grab your free copy of the Social Media Igniter Guide. It's going to show you exactly what to do every single day in order to grow your network marketing business online. The most awesome thing for me about social media was the follow-ups. I did not like following up with people. I thought it was so awkward. I'd like put them on my calendar to follow up with them every month or so. And that month would come and I'd be like, I don't even know what to say when I call them up. It's like that awkward, hey, remember me? I talked to you last month. I don't know, are you interested now? The coolest thing about social media is that social media will do all the follow-up for you on autopilot. Out of sight is out of mind, and it will kill your business, which is the biggest problem with traditional marketing. You've got to constantly be positioning yourself in front of those right people. It can feel spammy, it can feel salesy. You can lose friends over following up too much, and they're going to feel like you're hounding them and begging them and convincing them on why they should join your network marketing team. When you're building your business online using social media marketing, it's going to do the heavy lifting for you. As you make that post, that post is going to do all the follow-up for you. Those people that have been watching you, your friends on social media that are the perfect fit for your opportunity and your products because they use similar products, are going to be seeing your posts pop up. And they're going to pop up, and at some point, those people are going to reach out to you to want to know more information. The posts are going to do the follow-up for you. And not only that, but the biggest problem with follow-up is that your friend offline is probably going to need your information at some point in time. It's going to be their high noon. But unless you are constantly talking about your business and unless you're constantly calling them on the phone, you're not going to necessarily know when that high noon is. Well, on social media, when their high noon comes, when they're in pain and they have a problem to solve, you're going to be positioned in front of them because of your posts, and that's going to lead to a conversation. And because they've come to know, like, and trust you through your posts, not only are they going to know that you're the person to talk to, but they're going to feel comfortable reaching out to you because you've created a relationship online. And you don't have to guess on when their high noon is, because they're going to see your posts, and instead of you having to follow up with them, they're actually going to reach out and contact you because you've been sharing your journey and solving problems for them. They'll know that because it's worked for you, it's also going to work for them. Click on the link in the description and pick up your free copy of the Social Media Igniter Guide. Thanks for watching today. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.